Ilesh, what you have done, from what I see in a whole lot of younger dermatologists, is that you have opened their third eye. They're able to visualize and see much more than before. I think you should change your t-shirt from being guess to the word think, because you're making young dermatologists think. Yes, the most important thing about this whole 3-day sessions is generating the ability to think in every dermatologist, think for himself what works, what doesn't work, and if what works, how can I make it work better? And if something doesn't work, shall I drop it or shall I alter my modality of therapy? That is the key. So please have a t-shirt called Think from now on, because the powerful generation mantra that you have is the capacity to make young dermatologists think.
When I entered the hall, the way the things were done were really fantastic. And all the ideas which came up in this Congress are out of the box thinking. Whatever which is given as kits, tips to the delegates are all outside the box. Nobody would imagine that such things, especially in dermatology, we see only congresses and conferences where delegates go for a shopping or go for a, stalls as stalwarts. I would tell stalwarts, S-A-L-L-wards. But absolutely nobody walked out of the hall, even if they were hungry, even if they were thirsty, even if they wanted a refreshment. I think that speaks the volume and the greatness of this book. I think on behalf of all my delegates who were there, I thank Ilesh and his team immensely, and all the very best to them. God bless them all. God bless them all. God bless them all.
The 3-day workshop was immensely beneficial not only to youngsters, young dermatologists, but also to senior people like me. Many of the things that you taught, we senior dermatologists had picked up along the way. So I really wonder how at your age you were able to think of these points and deliver it to the youngsters. And the way you delivered it in such lucid method, in a way that people can remember, I am really impressed.
I think somewhere all of us are like lost fishes in the sea, trying to ask our neighboring dermatologist, how does this work, or how do you manage your staff? And of course there's this very close competition, so there are very few of them who honestly lend that right type of help or right type of that hand, and I think it's kind of a struggle for us. You think you're in a pursuit of an economic growth along with your professional growth, the passion to learn more, how to be on the social media, how to just be there. Not only this, it will just create that small spark in you to learn something new. And I have already registered for the next Derm Entrepreneurship program, and I'll keep registering because we need somebody to polish our skills in this particular line, because nobody and no dermatology conference has ever done that for us.
I have had the opportunity of learning from many marketing gurus in this field of entrepreneurship, and every one of them has taught me something. There is a very unique style of Ilesh which I noticed. He is very simple in his teachings. His teachings are easily understandable by doctors and they can apply them easily. Another important thing which I noted in Ilesh's teachings, which was unique to him, is that he is specific to the derma community. There are a lot of entrepreneurship, marketing consultants and specialists who talk of improving the entrepreneurship skills but are not specific to the dermatology fraternity. And another thing which I see is amazing in him is his attitude. He is very open, he is always there to help, and he never holds back.
It was very great conference I learned a lot of things from this conference. First day, instant win and constant win. Dopaminergic action for the patients was very intelligent idea. When second day when I went to my clinic, my staff said that I don't seems to be myself. I am greeting patients in more effective manner and more better manner. So that was very gratifying for me because it was a change after challenge.
When this idea for this 3-day thing came along, 21 for 21, I was quite skeptical. I told Madhulika the same thing, that how are you going to reproduce hours and hours of collected knowledge? I mean, 3 days into, we were at it for almost 8 to 10 hours per day. So 30 hours ka content, how will you make it feasible in a matter of 6 hours? But you've done brilliantly. In a very crisp nutshell, you've essentially given us all the inputs that we need to move our practices forward. And you did include one more expert, even during a limited amount of time, which is quite commendable.
Lot of ideas, lot of learning, and lot of important things being shared in all 3 days with lot of power-packed sessions. But one important thing which I learned from these 3 days is that immediate execution of whatever learning you have received. We were made to do exactly the same in the form of challenges. Ilesh Bhai, now I ask myself, is it my best? And I assure you, I'm going to do that throughout my life.
The things I learned from Mr. Ilesh Kakar is how to execute an idea. That's the powerful thing that everyone should learn from the team. And I wholeheartedly congratulate the whole Epicarian team behind that, who very effectively and promptly delivers what Ilesh Bhai wants from them. So that's how the team work, and that's how it should be done in a practice also. So I think another few things which I got from him is to invest on ourselves.
It's been a wonderful opportunity to be a part of 21 for 21 Derma Challenge. There were many lessons to be learned, but the most important one that I found was that a single well-implemented thought is worth 1,000 ideas lying in our brain. So execution and timely execution is the key. Thank you, Ilesh Bhai, for providing such a wonderful experience for 3 days. And I really thank the entire team of 21 for 21 Derma Challenge for bringing it out to us so smoothly.
We as a dermatologist are master in our subject, but to become a dermapreneur, you have to have some additional qualities, and those qualities you are giving us through your teachings. And by learning these inputs, ideas, knowledges, we will become dermapreneur. Thanks for all your efforts.
"21 for 21 Derma Challenge was one of its kind of event. Though I could attend only 2 days, it was one of the best webinar I have ever attended. It was very crisp, practical oriented with lot of takeaway points. I've started implementing all these things in my day-to-day practice. These points are not taught in our syllabus. Thank you, Ilesh Bhai, for teaching us, and thank you for your valuable inputs."
I am very much thankful to Mr. Ilesh for such a nice presentation on social media marketing. Actually, we doctors know very less about social media marketing, and I was actually doing it in a wrong way. So there was very less leads in my social media marketing, and but now I know much more than before. I am highly thankful to Mr. Ilesh and I am also hopeful that he will help me in future also if there is any problem. Thank you very much, Mr. Ilesh. Thanks.
I could not attend the Dermapreneur 2020. So when this opportunity came, I grabbed it with both hands and I made sure that I attended all the events, all the courses which were there and actively participated in those. Now, I am a very small dermatologist. I do not have a big clinic. I do not have a big team. And I used to feel that I am not an entrepreneur at heart. I am a dermatologist. But yes, after attending this conference, this workshop, what I realized was that even at a small scale, we can do some things which can take our practice at a higher level.
The last 3 days of this workshop has imparted so much wealth of knowledge, not only knowledge but also practical application to all and an answer to all the questions I was looking for since lockdown happened, but I could not find them anywhere. So earlier, even the thought of using a social media would give me a lot of stress, but now through this platform, through this association, with the help and support of like-minded dermatologists and such eminent senior dermatologists as well, I was able to overcome my fears and I'm more confident now. I think I can have a vision for myself, set up goals and execute them till completion.
I must say that this was the brightest start to my 2021. Right from setting up new goals to carving the path to success, he covered topics which we never even think about organically. He opened my eyes to understand the difference between great and extraordinarily great. The treasure of his ideas and teachings can go a long way in carving any successful brand. I'm deeply thankful to him for his eye-opening, breathtaking, jaw-dropping experience which has electrified my neurons to think, and think.
It was an eye-opening session to all dermatologists, and the knowledge which you have given was incredible.
Hello Ilesh Bhai. I really want to say that I never had an idea that any virtual meet could be so powerful, so gripping, and so much like an ocean of ideas and knowledge. Yeah, I must say you are like an idea hamster, and it's like you have ignited all of us into be a super excited state. And honestly, I want to say that it was just a sheer providence for me to be a part of this virtual meet, and I'm looking forward to be a part of Dermapreneur 21.
It was a very crisp and very fruitful presentation. I think each word that he spoke, each word spoken in the presentation, in the challenge was itself, like a treasure of knowledge, treasure of information. It was so useful that I think I'll take one whole month to extract the maximum out of it, which I am going to do. And the challenge part was just amazing.
This was first of a kind of platform where I got to learn so many things which I never knew I was lacking. And as a dermatologist, I would like to say we are lucky enough to have you as a mentor, because many of my non-derma friends, they have never come across such a platform where they are getting a mentor like you and an experience like this. And whatever you gave us in these 3 days was just incredible.
It was a very nice nice experience I had, because we always believe that we do a monotonous work where we need new ideas and boost us to do some new things out of our box. So accordingly, that way मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was a wonderful experience, and I am actually utilizing all those things on my staff works and to actually do on management works as well, and it is going great, and I'm really excited for the Dermapreneur virtual event as well. Thank you.